In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a task to multiple lists on ClickUp. ClickUp's task management system offers a fantastic feature that allows you to effortlessly add a task to multiple lists, ensuring seamless organization and easy access to relevant tasks across different projects or categories. This versatile functionality saves you time and streamlines your workflow, as you can conveniently view and manage the same task from various angles. A task in ClickUp is always associated with its home list, and the home list is displayed first in the upper left of the task window. However, you can easily add a task to multiple lists using the following methods. First, be sure that the Task in Multiple Lists Click app is enabled. If you don't have it enabled yet, or to check if it's enabled, click your avatar in the bottom left corner of the window. Then click Click Apps. Scroll down till you find Tasks in Multiple Lists. If it's not enabled, click it to toggle on. Then go back to the main interface. Hover your mouse over the Move Task icon in the upper left corner of the task window to reveal a plus icon. Click the plus icon and the drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select another list to add the task to. Alternatively, you can also add a task to another list using the ellipsis icon in your task window. Open the task you want to add to another list. Click on the ellipsis icon, which is located next to the Share button. Select plus Add to. Click Add to another list. Choose a list from the drop-down menu. It's important to note that when a task is added to multiple lists, any edits or comments made on the task will be displayed across all associated lists. Tasks in multiple lists will stay in sync, ensuring seamless collaboration and organization. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.